Assalamualaikum, it's me Erina. So at first I just want to share to you guys about the happy news that I already got 1000 subscribers from you guys. Thank you so much. Yay! So I just want to say thank you because you guys keep support me and keep watching my video. Thank you so much. I hope that you guys can still supporting me like you guys did until now. Thank you so much. So today, as I told you before, that I live in Kuala Lumpur. So do you know that Kuala Lumpur basically is a national capital and it's one of the largest city in Malaysia. So for this video, I really want to share to you guys about how my city really look like. So without delay, let's watch the video. So, how is it guys about the video? What do you guys think about my city? If you like anything from my city, you guys can comment below. Don't forget. And the thing is, please subscribe my channel. Why? Because subscribe is free, always free. So feel free to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. I hope I can see you again. Bye bye.